Alrighty guys, check it out. This week on Tech Tuesday, an AN adapter conversion kit without having to weld something on there. Super cool. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, we're down here at my dad's shop today and we got a super cool project for y'all. We are going to be converting the radiator hoses on this thing. He originally had these on it, and these things have just got like some covers to cover up the hose clamps, and these things work okay, and they're really nice, like flex hose style setup. But the problem is, if the rubbers here on the inside get dry rotted, they start leaking, and then your hose clamps get wore out really quick if you've got something you've got to really work on all the time. And so we wanted to do an upgrade, and so we came across something that was really neat. Autoplumb offers a conversion kit to where you don't have to weld anything on your radiator. So we'll go over here and look at this real quick, something that's really cool. They make this conversion fitting here to where it just snugs up right here. Super nice design, very cool, and that way you can convert it over to AN fittings. Super nice. So let's go back over here and show you guys something really quick. So how you figure out what all you need to replace what you had, he has some print off PDF templates that you can print off, so it'll give you the actual size of the conversion and then also your AN fittings that you end up needing. So you print that stuff off and you just trim it out like this here, and then you take it over to your vehicle and then you just start kind of laying it out. And it's just super cool. I mean, this is a really neat idea. So it takes it to the point of you don't have to waste a bunch of fittings. And most of the time, you guys know, if you use a lot of AN stuff, sometimes you just got to buy a bunch of fittings to kind of figure out what you need. In this case, you print these off, you figure out how you need to run it, and we figured out we needed two 45s right here, and we'll just have a simple straight hose. Turns out super nice, super cool kit. So we're going to start to put this thing together here and show you guys how this is going to work out. Alright guys, well, we're tightening her down. This thing is looking pretty daggum wizard. Looks like something out of NASA. This is pretty daggum cool. It looks good, that's for sure.
Makes me realize I got to clean up some of my other stuff.
Yeah, these are nice.
Got a lot of dust on it.
These are nice fittings.
It's really a great idea the way that this stuff is made.
Yeah,
kind of reminds me of a compression fitting, the way that it goes on to the outlets on the water neck and the radiator. Really nice.
Nice stuff. You push that chrome button there on the side. Okay guys, we just finished up the bottom side, complete -20 all the way across. Super cool and super clean. That thing's looking really nice. We'll go back up here to the top. This thing is really wicked little conversion kit here. You don't have to use the welder for any of it. It's all just hand tools, and the hardest part about it is cutting your hose. I mean, super cool kit, very clean. And also the other nice thing is you can always remove this as many times as you want to, and you don't have to worry about pesky hose clamps breaking on you like this one here. You can see it right there. Where's that? Right there. See how that one's broke? You no longer have to worry about that no more. So very cool conversion. The other nice thing is, you know, we talked a little bit about these templates here. This is super nice. I've never used a company before that had this available to you, so you can figure out ahead of time which fittings you need without having to spend a bunch of money to have a bunch of fittings laying around. So they'll print off several different fittings for you, 45, 90s, 30s, 60s, and also all of the thermostat housings that they offer as well. On our truck, we wasn't able to use a thermostat housing. We had to use the BDS one because of clearances. The idler pulley bracket was rubbing there, so we had to stick with the old school style of housing there, but it turned out very nice. Autoplumb is definitely on point on this conversion right here. Super nice product. I'll zoom in here, let you guys see it. Very nice, very nice. Their instructions that comes with it, very straightforward, tells you everything you need. They also sell all the wrenches that you need if you don't have any -20 wrenches, so that's super cool. Very, very straightforward. The other thing, be sure to go to their website, Autoplumb.com. They have every single installation video for this entire process from step A to step Z. Definitely go check that out if you're curious in this kit. So that's going to wrap us up here for the day. Super cool video. Me and Dad are getting very, very excited about this. We put a brand new radiator in it, so we're getting very close to doing some street driving in this bad boy. So you guys stay tuned, and as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys have a good one.